fellow khasi fana elikhaya sekhaya manje abantu abaningi siyadana la singumzi siyakha umndeni manje umndeni kahle le gender based.
Okay. Une reason mhlamba yokuthi uyithandze le?
Kuze siphathane kahle masibanda. Sandla silungisi. Lungisa umlomo, inkulumo. Sisana.
No, ngiyakuva bhuti wami. Yini into longafisa ukuthi uyitshele ombukele ekhaya longajimi longendi lutho lohledi longekho kulo field workers?
Mina ngomtshela ukuthi uyaluza umuntu ohleli. La sehlisa amafutha kuphela. Sidla amakhilomitha. Umnazi wangena la usayekelanga. Uhlala la endleleni. Buyane simeleni.
Inbingeleleke babukeli mama ekhaya. This is Lawfield Workers Podcast. And of course, this is your host, Rebecca Mdluli, podcasting live at Hillsview. Namhla ke nginilandzela yena Warren wakangosi. Sifuna kwathi ukuthi ibhodi wethu udume ngani outside of Lawfield Workers. And labangamati kuze bamati sisahle because Bhodi Warren was with Lawfield Workers isaqala nga-2018. Wena hlala lapho uthi ne. Mina sayilanza bhodi wethu Warren.
Amanda, siyayibona Amanda. Amanda, siyayibona Amanda. Uyayibona ipirate. Amanda, siyayibona Amanda. Awabona amabhakabhaka. Amanda, siyayibona.
Hayi ke babukeli bamakhaya bese ngishito ke ukuthi ngiyondanzela bhuti Elfas ngisho yena bhuti wethu lesimati ngabhuti Warren la ka Lawfield Workers. Bhuti wami unjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Bhuti Warren ngicela ungitshelele babukeli emakhaya nama Lawfield Workers ukuthi bhuti Warren ungubani wakabani ubuya kuphi?
Mina ngiLfas. Matsulu. Angozi sibonga. Ngajoyina Lawfield Workers nami ngayithola ngala mahlathini ngala basuse kapsewu.
Okay.
Nami bengithukile ngithi namhla sozwa njani igodo ngala. Hayi sijima simahlathini so. Nami ngajoyina khona ngala mahlathini.
Wayijona ngawuphi umnyaka iLawfield Workers?
I think that's 2017.
That's 2018 waqala nayo. Okay bhuti wami no. Njengoba ke iLawfield Workers wayijoyina ekutsala kangaka bhuti. Yini ireason liyakujoyinisa iLawfield Workers?
Ngiyathanda nje ukuthi siyajima la. Ngiyathanda vele ukujima. Mangibona amajita. Nami ngathi sengijoyine.
Okay.
Sports lengisithandako.
Okay, wayibona kuphi yona? Weva ngemuntu noma watibonela bona bahamba?
Abona bahamba the lady fire.
Then wabeseke soyajoyina. Njengoba bese ushilo ukuthi uyathandzela vele le-sport umuntu we-sport. Yini lo loyithandza kakhulu kuLawfield Workers? Because uyathi musma-club maningi ahlukahlukene. I believe ukuthi club ne-club inento yayo especially kwena ukuthi uqhubeke solo uvuke ekseni uta every Saturday.
Mina ngathi Lawfield Workers fana elikhaya sekhaya manje abantu abaningi siyadana la singumzi siyakha umndeni manje umndeni kahle.
So bhuti wami you are one of Dingululu the team kanjalo bobhuti wethu labasilindela indlela ngaso sonke isikhathi uma sihambile of course siphumile siye boZimbabwe bo Maputo eSwaziland. But Warren, how are you finding lama walks wethu lamanzi? Uyawajabulela because I know uhlala ukhona. Are you happy now? And because sisuke sithi sizozama ukuhlanganisa ama-African countries ukubona kwenteka lokho ukuthi siyahlanganisana nabo labantu lesuke siyohamba even labo.
Kuyahlangana.
Yini lo ithanda kakhulu ngalama long walks?
Ama long walks. asikhuthata ukuthi sibojima sihambe sibone lamanye amave
Yeah.
ungahlali nizawonye
Yes. Yes. No.
uma uhleli nizawonye ukuthi lutho okwathi funa uphume ubone emave ngaphandle
Yeah.
abanye abantu baphila njani
Kuliqiniso lo. But Warren la ekhaya sinamatafula lamaningi. Sinelitafula lebantwana i-library. Sinelitafula ke labo laba safety labasigatsa la emgwaqweni. Sibuye sibe nelitafula lama aerobics. Ngiliphi wena litafula longathi uyalithanza, of course nelibereavement. Lolijabulela nje lo siyabona laba bayangijabulisa basishaya sipani noma uwathanza wonke.
ngiwathanza wonke ngikhethe hlangothi
Yeah.
basasebenza afana
Yeah. Yeah, uhappy no.
umsebenzi
Okay, so Warren ngenkonzo yala ekhaya lesiba nayo yekupha njengoba of course uyiphathi yethu masihambile kulama locals sinokuthatha food parcels sihambile impahla sihambe super because sisuke siwenda ngaleti khathi ta i-long walk to freedom yaMandela. So nathi siyathatha lokuncane sihambe siyopha la sisuke siwalkela khona, and also sinebantwana la ekhaya likhaya lebantwana lesisinalo lesihle ngeminyaka siyahamba siyobapha lokuthize, and also mangabe kwendeke imvula damosha emphakathini siyakhona ukuthi sikhiphe siyopha. Ufila njani ngalesonto leso se-lawful workers sekupha? Do you feel i-lawful workers thina sidile kujima la sikadile kuhamba siyoniketa abantu utinde, it's all about ukujima asihlangene neku
kona ku-right asazi sidele kujima
Yeah.
baswela ngalako bana next ngona ukuthi uvele umuphe
Yeah.
singavuki ukujima kuphela isandla kuza siphuma
Yeah.
asibasisandla hamba sandla
Sanfukuye. Okay, bhuti wami, so kulama walk lesinawo la ekhaya lamaningi nakangaka sinabo gender based, bo color walk, bo HIV and AIDS. Ngiyiphi walk wena lo ithandzako lothi yabona lena nje nathi mashaba namuhla i-gender based or yini ngiyavuka vele ekseni ngithi funa ngiba khona transport ikhona yikho ngende plan.
le gender base
Okay.
yeah
Une reason mhlamba yokuthi uyithandze le?
kuze siphathane kahle masibanda
Yeah.
sandla silungisi lungisa umlomo inkulumo
Yeah.
isisana
No, ngiyakuva bhuti wami. Yini into longafisa ukuthi uyitshele ombukele ekhaya longajimi longendi lutho lohledi longekho kulo field workers?
mina ngomtshela ukuthi uyaluza umuntu ohleli la sehlisa amafutha kuphela
Yeah.
yeah
Yeah.
sidla amakhilomitha
Yeah.
umnazi wangena la usayekelanga
Yeah.
uhlala la ndleleni buyane simeleni
And sihamba nespeaker, yabona njengoba sibhizi so speaker sibhizi siyacula la emuva.
yeah
Kumnanzi la emgwaqweni. No bhuti wami ngiyabonga kakhulu ke for today. Lise ke bhuti Warren sebayamati ke bhuti Warren bacala na i-lawful workers ngaye ke 2018, so naye ul ancestor la ekhaya, you know. Bhuti wami ngiyabonga kakhulu for isikhathi sakho.
ngiyabonga sisilips
Siyabonga ke thina sithi
Ngiyabonga, Bucks.
#don't promise come in.
endleleni
Nakya.
#Mpumalanga's finest walking team. This is Lawful Workers Podcast, and of course, this is your host, Rebecca Mhlele, signing out. But I will be seeing you soon this coming Saturday on the Youth Day Commemoration Walk. Of course, the theme is school uniform, any kind of school uniform, and if you don't have, you can wear your black and white. The aerobics are starting at 6 o'clock, and the walk is officially starting right after that. Now, June 16 is celebrated in South Africa as a Youth Day. It commemorates the Soweto uprising of 1976, when thousands of students protested against an oppressive education system. This peaceful protest turned violent when police opened fire, killing hundreds of young people. Today, it serves as a reminder of their courage in the fight for freedom, while also focusing on the challenges young people face today. Mina nawe ke asidibane khona eBackdoor, siyo celebrate leli suku labantu labasha. See you there.